Now I am going to explain about JavaScript variables. In JavaScript, variable is nothing but one of the small container. What is the meaning of the small container means? Whatever the thing that can able to store the value, that is called as container. This container is also called as a small storage location or small storage area. Means variable is nothing but one of the container. It is also called as small storage location or memory location. What is the use of the variable means? Using the variable you can able to store single value at a time. But using the variable you cannot able to store the multiple values at a time. Using the one variable you can able to store only one value. But using the variable you cannot able to store the multiple values. It is one of the drawback. For example, if you want to create a JavaScript variable, you need to follow the one syntax. For example, we need the JavaScript keyword. Second, after the JavaScript keyword, we need the variable name, and after that we need is equal to symbol. Then after is equal to symbol, whatever after is equal to you will write that we have to call it as a value or a data. And one more thing I need to tell here. For example, if you are writing anything inside either single quotations or double quotations, that is nothing but a string data. Means for example, inside a double quotations, I have written the name as a Anantapur, so we have to call it as a string data. And also, for example, here I have written the inside a double quotations, I have written the name Varun, that is also one of the string data. And below I have written the inside double quotations Simha, I have written, this is also one kind of the string data. And here I have mentioned 2 lakh, this is one of the number type data. And here I have written the this number, this is also number type data, and this is also number type data. Means we are having the different data types. This is related to the number, this is related to the string data, and below 3 are the number data types. For example, whatever Varun is there, this data I am storing inside a first underscore name. And before this first underscore name, we are having the where. I already said something. If you want to create a JavaScript variable, you have to write the JavaScript keyword. After the JavaScript keyword, you have to write the variable name. Variable name can be any name. Whatever you want, you can write it. Then after that, you have to give the value or data. For example, here the JavaScript keyword means where is nothing but one of the keyword. After the where keyword, here the variable name can be any valid name. You can give the any name, but it should be in a valid name only. Valid name in the sense I will tell the later what are the rules to create a variable. For example, here it is a big name, that's why I have given the a first underscore name. Means it is a first underscore name is nothing but one of the variable name. Inside what you are doing is Varun is the value, this Varun is stored inside a first name. In the same way, Simha is the one of the name, this Simba you have placed inside a last underscore name. Same way, for example, here we are having the 2 lakhs, that 2 lakhs you have stored inside a salary. And this is a phone number stored inside a phone number. Pin code number stored inside a pin code number. For example, consider here, we are having the one JavaScript keyword, means one where keyword we are having. Then after that we are having the variable name called as ID. And after that we are having the is equal to, and after is equal to we are having the value or ID, value or data. Here I'm having the like var as one of the keyword. After that id, then is equal to this 30. 30 is the value. This 30 value is stored inside a id. Id means it is a variable name. At the time of executing this program, for this id, one small memory location will create. This small storage, small memory location is nothing but a container, small container, or small storage location, or a small memory location. Means id is the name of a variable name. Inside this variable name, whatever you are having the 30, that value is stored inside a like variable id. In the same way, for example, here I am having the like id, name, age, city, state, name. If it is a number means you no need to take, if it is a number type data means you no need to take the any double quotations or string or single quotations. But if you are writing the any names, in that situation you have to go for the like either single quotes or double quotes. For example, Ajay is the name. It is a name, so you have to write inside like either single quotations or double quotations. That you are assigning inside like name variable. In the same way, where age is equal to means this 36 you have stored inside like age. In the same way, Anantapur is the like one of the string value, that data you have stored inside a city, and AP is like a one string data that is stored inside a like state variable. Ajay is the like one of the name you have stored inside a name variable. Again I am repeating. I need to explain something about the var. Var is nothing but one of the JavaScript keyword. Why we are using the var keyword means which is used to create a either global variable or local variables. Means we are having the two types of the variables. For example, as of now you don't know anything about the like function, just observe. For example, I am having a one function keyword here. After that I am having the like function name called as get data. Before this function means outside of this function, whatever the age variable you have written, this is nothing but a global variable. Means if you are writing any variable, if you are writing in the sense, if you are creating or declaring any variable outside of your function, that is called as local, that is called as global variable. For example, where age is equal to 30, this 30 is the like value which is stored inside a age property, age variable. Means this variable is created outside of this function key, outside of this function. That's why we are calling it as a global variable. The scope of the global variable is throughout the program. Means you can able to access global variable anywhere in the program. There is no any restrictions. For example, how you have created a variable here, in the same way where count is equal to here, where account is equal to here, you have created the like one value. Here you have created one variable. This variable is nothing but a local variable. Why we are calling the local variable and why we are calling the global variable means, if you are declaring or defining any variable inside a function, that is called as local variable. If you are defining or declaring any variable outside of a function, that is called as global variable. The scope of the global variable is throughout the program. Means you can able to, this global variable can able to work anywhere in the program. You can able to access outside of the function as well as you can access inside the function also. But for example, I am having a where account is equal to account number I am having. You have declared this variable inside like a function only. So here this function, this variable is having the limited limited scope. Means inside this function only you can able to access this variable, but you can't able to access this variable outside of your function. If you try to access this local variable outside of a function, then definitely will get like a variable is not defined error. So and at the same time we are having the like two more keywords. First I'm going to explain about the like var keyword. For example, if you would like to create like any variables or any program inside a JavaScript, with the help of the JavaScript, if you would like to create any variables or any program, we need the one IDE. IDE means integrated development tool. For example, this is the Visual Studio Code. If you open this Visual Studio Code, then you will get this ID. And for example, here I am having the one file. So if I click here, then you will get a like a add folder to the workspace. So inside this application, you have to create, for example, here you can have the like chance to create a like new folder. I have already created like one folder here. That folder name is like online practice. So online practice is the like one of the like name. So here I am adding that one as a workspace. As of now, inside this one there is no any program here. So I am going to add this one to my like Visual Studio Code. For yes, I got it. Okay. So here you are having a one plus button, and you are able to see something called as new file. Suppose if you are clicking here, for example, index.html I am writing here. You can write any name here, but after that name .html is mandatory. It is not a JavaScript file extension, it is one of the HTML extension only. And if you would like to get the like clear picture, you have to go for the control B. And inside like HTML tag, inside this HTML file, we are having the something called as script tag. So inside a script tag, for example, I am having a one script tag. Inside a script tag, we have to write the JavaScript programs. For example, I need to write the like variables here. If I want to write the like any variables here means var id is equal to 20. Again I am repeating, this 20 is the like value you are giving or assigning this value inside a like id. Id is nothing but one of the variable name. So this is one of the like variable. Okay. In the same way, we can able to create, for example, where like number, where phone number is equal to, you are giving 88. This is also like one kind of the number. So I need to explain something about here. This is nothing but like number. So this is a like number type data. What is the 20? 20 is nothing but if you are writing any two forward slashes is nothing but a single line comment. Comments are nothing but a meaningful messages. So which will describe something about your like program. For example, what is this number or what is this like a variable name, for what purpose you are going to write this program. If you would like to know something, you have to write the something inside like comments. So comments will not visible over the screen. For example, here id is the variable, id is the variable, and 20 is the number type data. What is this 20? 20 is the number type data and the id is the like variable name. In the same way, here I am having, for example, phone number is the variable name, and this is nothing but like number data, number type data. So I am having one more thing. For example, age is equal to I have written something. For example, 39 I have written. So here age is a variable name. Age is a variable name, and 39 is the number type data. In the same way, we can able to assign the any string data. Here I need to explain something about the string. For example, here the string means string is nothing but a like anything that should be keep inside either single quotations or double quotations. For example, here I am writing something called as Raman. So Raman is the like one of the name. That name I am keeping inside a like single quotations only. If you are keeping anything inside either single quotations or double quotations, that is called as string data. So for example, here we are having a single quotations, and inside a single quotations I am having a Ramana, and I am having a inside a double quotations also I am having a Ramana. This is nothing but a string data. For example, where I am having name is equal to Ramana I am having. So Ramana is nothing but like one of the name, and so Ramana is nothing but one of the name. That name is assigned to a like a name variable. So this Ramana is nothing but a string data. Why we are calling the string data means if you are writing anything inside a double quotations, that is called as string data. So Ramana is the string data. Ramana is the string data. And one more thing I am having, where city is equal to, I am having a city is equal to Hyderabad I have given. This is nothing but it is also a one string type data. And I am having one more thing, where state is equal to, I am having, for example, I am having a AP. AP is the state name. And I am having one more thing, where COUNT country is equal to, inside a double quotations I am having India. India is also like one of the string type data. This is also like a string type data. This is a string type data, and AP also like string type data only. These are called as variables. Variable means it is one of the small container or a memory location. If you want to print or if you want to check the whether like this 20 is really stored inside a like ID variable or not, or this number is whether it is stored inside a like phone number or not, whether this 39 is really stored inside like age or not. If you would like to know something, you have to write here something called as document.writeln method you have to write. And for example, here ID I am keeping, then here you can able to, so this 20 is the like one of the data. That data you have assigned to a like ID variable. This ID variable I am keeping inside this document.writeln. So I am going to click here index.html I am having. So I am giving the right click here. If you give the right click, then you will get the like a copy path. And so here I am having a like one Chrome here. If I am pasting something here means I can able to get the value here. Observe here. So whatever I have written the document dot write ln of ID, then you can able to see the something called as output you can able to see here. In the same way, I am going to write the like one more thing here. For example, document dot write ln of. So next I am going to give something called as phone number. Now check the output. Means you got the like phone number, then after the phone number, you first you have written the like ID number. After the ID number, you have written the phone number also. If you want to see anything over the screen, you have to write the document.writeln method. If you write this one, then only you can able to see the something over the screen. And one thing here, if you observe, I have written the like here one by one document dot write ln of id, document dot write ln of like phone number, like both things I have written like one by one, but here you are able to see the like output in a same line. If you would like to get the this phone number in a next line, here you need to break the line. Break the line in the sense, here for example I am having a id, after id I am having a one plus symbol, and inside like either double quotations or single quotations. If I am writing the like br inside a double quotations means br means break the line. What I am doing is I want to print this id first. After printing the id value, then next what I am giving is inside a double quotations I am giving the br. Br means then I can able to break the line. So after this breaking the line, next phone number will print here. If you want, you can check here. What I am doing first here, if you observe here, I have written like id. After the id I have given the like br break. After breaking the something, then we are going to display the phone number here. In the same way, I want to break here also inside double quotations or single quotations. I can able to give the br, and next what I am doing is, for example, document dot write ln, and inside write ln I want to print the like name as this name I want to print. So that's why I am giving the like this name. Then after that I want to give the like one break. So that's why I am giving a like br as a one of the break. You can check. So first you have displayed the like id, then phone number, then name also like you displayed. If you want to display the like either name or city or anything, you get same way you have to write. Or else if you don't want to write in a like one by one, if you want to write all these things, for example here I am having a like one name. For example, after the name, if you want to break anything, inside a like plus symbols you have to write the this br. Inside a double quotations only you have to write this symbol. What is the meaning of this one means, first you will get the like name. After the name you are going to break the like one line. After breaking the like one more line, then what you are doing is you would like to display the something called as, I want to display the city also. After the city I want to display the like state also. State also. After the state I want to display the country, country also I want to display. Just observe here. You are having the like id and phone number, name, city name, state and country you are having. I need to explain here why you are giving the like first you are going to display the like name. After the name, inside a like after the name you have to write the like one plus symbol, and inside after this that plus symbol you have to write the like something inside a like a double quotations br you have to give. Then what is the use of this br means, after the name it is going to break the one line. After the breaking something means, then again you are doing the like one after city, then city name will display, then state name will display, then country name will display inside a like same line. So these are called as like variables. So variables, in variables we are having the like many types of the like variables. I mean we are having the like first two types of the like variables. One is the local variable and one is the global variable. For example, before that I need to explain something about the two things clearly. For example, I am having a like where here I have written the like something called as account is equal to, actually I need to write the something like this, means this is the like value I have to give. But what I am doing is I am not assigning the any value, directly I have given like this. If you are writing the like directly like this means this is nothing but like one of the empty variable. Empty variable. Empty variable in the sense, for example I am having a like where account is equal to. But here whenever you are writing like this, then you will get a something like this. Means this is nothing but like one of the empty variable. You are going to get one empty variable here. Means whenever you are writing like this, then one empty variable will create like this. So this is nothing but a empty variable. There is no any data. You have not assigned any data here. That's why it will be like empty. If it is empty means, then if you are trying to do the like a document dot write ln of account, then definitely you will get like as a undefined. I am trying to do here. For example, here where account is equal to something, we have to write like this, but I am not writing anything. So simply I am declared a variable. Declaring the variable in the sense, just I have given the like variable name but not assigned any value. So this is nothing but a variable declaration, or declared. So we have to call it as variable declared or variable declaration. Variable declaration is there means you are not assigned any value to the variable. That is meaning. So if you are try to access that account variable, then you will get undefined as a one of the output only. For example, what you are doing is, so if you observe, I don't want to display the like other these two values also. I don't want to display anything here. That's why I'm giving the like comment here. I want to display only this account related variable value. So I'm trying to do the like document dot write ln of account. After this account, I'm going to give the like one BR here. Just observe here, for this account variable I am not assigned any value. So if I am not assigning the any value means, then you will get the something called as undefined. In interview they will ask, what is the undefined? Undefined is nothing but one of the primitive data type, or it is one of the special keyword or a special operator. Suppose you have declared a variable but not assigned any value. Without assigning any value, if you try to access that variable, then definitely you will get a undefined as output only. Means here you have declared a variable, account variable, but not assigned. Without assigning any value, if you try to access this variable, then you will get the undefined as a output. But next I am going to do one more thing, where for example bank is equal to I have given the like SBI as a value. So this is called as like variable defined, defined or variable definition. This is called as variable definition. What is the meaning of the variable definition means? Consider if you are assigning any value to the like variable, that is called as variable defined or variable definition. Suppose SBI is the like one of the name, and this name you are assigned to a like bank. So means this SBI is the like one of the value, and that value you are assigning to the like bank. So it is called as one of the variable variable defined. Here two things happened. Means if you are giving the any value to the like variable, it is called as variable initialization also. Initialization means giving the value. Means two things happened here. This is called as variable declaration, and for that declaration if you are giving the any value means that is a initialization. The combination of variable initialization and declaration both are nothing but a variable defined. The meaning of variable defined means two things happened in the same line. It is a variable declaration, and for that variable declaration you are giving the SBI as a one of the value. This is nothing but a initialization. The combination of variable declaration and initialization is nothing but a variable definition. So after defining any variable means after assigning any variable, assigning means giving the value. For example, this SBI is the like one of the value you have given to the like bank as a variable name. So here I am going to do the like something called as document dot write ln method I am using, and inside I am trying to do the like bank as a one of the bank I am printing, then check the output. So for this one we will get the undefined because we have declared a variable but not assigned any value. Here I have declared a variable as well as assigned value. So here I'll get the like output for this bank variable as a SBI. Observe here. For first one, for account, here we are having the account. For this undefined is the like output. For bank we are having the SBI as a one of the value. Okay. So we need to know something, two things. One is the variable declaration and one is the variable definition. Variable declaration means you have declared a means you are having a variable name but you are not assigned any value. This is nothing but a variable declaration. Variable defined or definition means you are having the variable name along with you have assigned a value also. This is nothing but a like variable definition or defined. Next topic I am going to explain something about. We are having the two types of the functions. As of now, like just observe something here. I am writing the like one function, and the function name is show data. Show data is the one of the like function name, and so this is a function. This is a function, okay, and this is a like outside of this function here I am writing the variable name. For example, where here what I am doing is laptop ID is equal to laptop ID is equal to inside a double quotation Lenovo laptop 123 I have written. Then where like laptop price I am going to write here. For example, it is 50,000. Okay. So I am having the two variables. For example, where laptop ID is equal to L123 I have written inside a single quotations means it is a like one of the string type data, and this is a number type data. But anyway, whether it is a like number type data or a string type data, we have declared and defined this variable outside of a function. What is the meaning of that one means? For example, I am having a one function, and after this function I am having the show data, and inside this show data I am having something called as where like model is equal to 2021 LP model. Okay. If you observe here, this is nothing but like one of the function. Outside of this function I have written the like two variables. For example, laptop ID I have written and laptop price also I have written. I want to check the output of this one. So here what I am doing is first I am commenting. I don't want to print these values, so that's why I am giving the like commenting here. Just observe here. This is a function. Function name is show function. And inside a show function, I have written the like where model is equal to model number I am having. But outside of this function keyword, I am having a laptop ID I am having, and as well as the laptop price also I am having. So if you want to execute anything, whatever inside this like where model is there, this is nothing but like one of the like function body. If you want to execute or if you want to see the output of this function, you have to call something this show function. For example, okay, this is nothing but like function calling. So this is nothing but a function calling or function invocation. So we have to call it as either function calling or function invocation. Okay. So what I am doing is, if you are like if you are control alt, if you are clicking the control alt means, so you will get the like cursor movement. Whenever your like cursor is coming here, automatically this program is going to call this show function. Whatever inside a show function data is there, for example where model. So if you would like to display the any output here, for example document.writeln of, here you want to print the like model here, then observe here what will happen. Means you are trying to print only, you are having this model, and this model you are having the like 2021 LP is the like model number, and this model number you stored inside a like model, and you are trying to print with the help of the document.writeln of model. So this variable and this document.writeln is placed inside like this function only. For example, if you are trying to call this function, then only it will work. If you are not calling this function, then it won't work. So that's why I am trying to call the like show function. Then immediately this show function, whenever I am going to click here, automatically it will call a show function. And inside show function, I am having a where model is equal to 2021 LP I am having. Then document.writeln of I am having a model data here. Then check output what will happen. So I am trying to print only this model number only. I don't want to print like other data. So if you are trying to do this, what you are getting? This 2021 LP you are getting. Means you are trying to call this function. Whenever you are trying to call this function, then immediately show data is calling, and inside the show data where model is equal to 2021 LP, this data you have given to the like model, and inside a model you are going to print the output. So you will get this 2021 as a LP output. But observe here, this model is nothing but a one of the local variable. What is this? Local variable. Local variable. What is the meaning of local variable? What is the meaning of the local variable? Means you can able to access local variable inside a function only. Means you can access local variable inside a function only. But you cannot access local variables outside of a function. You cannot access any local variables outside of a function. What is the meaning of this one? Means, for example, consider I am having a same variable name here. I don't want to print here. Just instead of printing this variable inside a function, I am trying to call this one outside of a function. Means I don't want to call this like local variable. I don't want to print this local variable inside this function. I have written the like variable name here, but I am trying to print this local variable outside of this function. Then you can check the like output here. What is the issue here? If I try to click here, right click, Then if you give the like right click here, then you can see the like something called as inspect element, and you can get the one error here. For example, here observe. What is this? A reference error. What is means? Reference error, model is not defined. When we will get this kind of the error means you created a model inside a like function only. You have created model inside a like function, but you are trying to print that value outside of your function. Without writing the local, without like having the any way, without writing the variable outside, whatever you have written a like variable inside a function, if you try to call that function outside of, if you try to call local variable outside of a function, then you will get the reference error. Then you will get the reference error. What you will get? You will get the reference error. Reference error, model is not defined. In interview they will ask, what is the meaning of not defined? Not defined means if you try to declare any variable inside a function, and if you try to access that variable outside of a function, then you will get the reference error only. So that's why we can say that local variable can be accessible inside a function only, but local variable cannot be accessible outside of a function. So again here I have written inside this function only. If I try to call this one, then only I will get the like output as a value. Means local variable means if you are declaring or defining any variable inside a function, that is called as local variable, and that local variable can able to access inside a function only, but outside of the function you can't able to access it. But coming to the same thing, we are having the like global variable. I am having the like laptop price. Laptop price is nothing but one of the global variable. This global variable is placed outside of this function, so it can able, you can able to access this global variable anywhere in the program. For example, I want to access this like laptop, and after accessing this laptop, then I want to print the like two values in the same place. If you want to print the laptop ID, if you want to print the like more than one variables in a same line, first laptop ID you are printing, after that you are going to print the laptop name also. But in between the laptop ID and laptop name, if you would like to give the any space here, then you have to write this one. 2 plus you have to write, inside the 2 pluses you have to write the double quotes. So observe here, means I am trying to accessing the, what I am doing? I am trying to access global variables outside of a function. Means global variable can be accessible anywhere in the program. You can access the like global variable outside of the function as well as the inside of like function also you can access. Just observe here. What is this? First I am commenting this local variable. So as of now I am like as of now I have like only printing this one, document dot write ln of like ID number and laptop price. So if you check something here, then you can able to get the this laptop ID number you are getting, and as well as laptop price also you are getting. In between that, if you want to display any values inside a like first you have to give the like plus symbol, then inside a double quotations you have to write the anything if you want to keep here. Observe here, this is the laptop ID and this is the laptop price. Both you have print. Observe here, what I am doing is I am having a one like a variable here, global variable. That global variable I am trying to access inside a function only. I am trying to access global variable inside a function. means global variable can be accessible anywhere in the program. After this one, I am trying to give the like one document dot write ln of. So inside the double quotations, I am going to give the like one br, means break the line. So this part is a different part and this one is the like a different part. To make the like two separate parts, I am going to like give here actually. Okay. Otherwise, I will give the br as well as the hr also I will give. So observe here, means here this is nothing but like one of the local this is nothing but one of the global variable, means laptop id, laptop price, both are the like variables. So both are the global variables. I am trying to access that global variables anywhere in the program, means I can able to access that global variable outside of this function as well as the inside a function also I can able to access. But using the your means if you are trying to access any local variable outside of a function, definitely will get the like reference error. But if you are trying to access global variable inside a function or outside of the function, it can be accessible. If you want, you can check output here, means global variable is working outside of a function, global variable is working inside a function also. It is working in both places. That's why we can say that in case of the JavaScript, we are having the two types of the variables. One is the local variable and one is the global variable. Last and final, I am going to explain. So here variable is nothing but like one of the container or a small memory location. Using the var keyword, we can able to create a variables. And first we need the like var keyword, then variable name. Variable name can be any valid name you can able to give. For example, id, phone number, age, year, name, city, state, country. These are the like variable name. After is equal to whatever you are writing here, that is called as like a values. So here, for example, I am having id, phone number, age. These are called as like a variable names, and 20, this number, these are called as like a number type data. And here so here I am having a name, city, state, country. These are also called as like variables. But for these variables, I have given the like value in the form of double quotations or single quotations. If you are writing anything inside a double quotations or single quotations, that is called as string data, means it is a one of the string type data only. Then if you want to print something over the like screen, means you have to write the document dot write ln of id, and why you are giving the like plus symbol and inside the double quotations br, means you are going to break the line. So we are having the two types of the things. One is the variable declaration and one is the variable definition. Declaration means you have given a variable name but there is no value. So this is nothing but a variable declaration or declared. And second thing, for example, where bank is equal to SBI, you have written SBI is nothing but one of the value that you have assigned inside a like bank. So it is called as, so it is nothing but like variable defined or declaration. Next, we are having the two types of the variables. One is the global variable and one is the local variable. For example, observe here, I am having a one function. Function name is show data, and inside this show data, where model is equal to 2021 LP, I am having. If I try to access this local variable inside a function, I can able to get the output. But if you try to access this local variable outside of a function, you will get the reference error. For example, here I am having the like laptop ID, laptop price, both are the global variables. So I can able to access global variables anywhere in the program. There is no any restrictions. You can access the global variable inside a function as well as outside of the function also you can able to access. If you want, you can check. This is the like outside of a function and this is the inside of a function, you can able to access. There is no any restrictions.